Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the fingerprint speed test between the Realme X and the OnePlus 7 Pro. So let me show you what models I'm using in this video. So check the links in the description guys for more videos on the Realme X and the OnePlus 7 Pro, even on the Redmi K20 Pro as well. So in the future, I'll be doing a lot of comparison videos between both the phones. So as you can see, the Realme X got very mid-range specifications with a 6GB RAM variant, and whereas the OnePlus 7 Pro has a 12GB RAM variant. So I've registered the fingerprint in both the devices guys, and the Realme X device I've been using for the past 50 days, and overall the usage with the fingerprint in this Realme X is very fine. So I never faced any problem, but I'll be using only the face unlock in the Realme X guys most of the time. So let me show you what settings you get in both the devices regarding the fingerprint. So in the Realme X you get the options animation. You can even control the animation style as well in the Realme X. So you get around 5 animation styles. So there is also another option called display the fingerprint icon when the screen is off. So when the screen is off, you'll get the fingerprint animation at the fingerprint area guys continuously when the screen is off. So if you want, you can disable that option. So whereas in the OnePlus 7 Pro you get two different options, like pick up the phone to show the fingerprint, or tap the screen to show the fingerprint guys. So for example, the phone is on the table, and when you straight away you pick, the fingerprint area will be highlighted as you can see right now. So even you get the animation styles in the OnePlus 7 Pro. So there are like 4 animation different styles available in the OnePlus 7 Pro. So now let me start the test guys. So on the right side I got the OnePlus 7 Pro, and the left side I got the Realme X device, and let me try to unlock both the phones at the same time. As you can see, in terms of the fingerprint, I feel OnePlus 7 Pro is much faster in unlocking the device when compared with the Realme X phone. As you can see guys. So OnePlus 7 Pro is much faster in unlocking the phone using the fingerprint. So I also done a video on the Face ID as well in between both the phones. So check the links in the description guys if you want to know more about the Face ID on both the devices. The same kind of test I'll be doing with the Redmi K20 Pro as well guys. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting a lot of interesting videos on the OnePlus 7 Pro and the comparison videos between Realme X and the Redmi K20 Pro in the future. So overall, I feel the fingerprint in the OnePlus 7 Pro is much faster when compared with the Realme X device. So that's it guys. This is a quick review on comparison between the Realme X and the OnePlus 7 Pro. So for more comparison videos, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.